Well, this is Blizzard 2011. It is pretty windy out there. If you face to the east, it really hurts the eyes. I've got icicles on my eyes. So if you face to the west, it's not too bad. It's all hitting you on the back. But it's creating some good drifts. The drifts are probably about 1.5 to 2 feet tall. And I've shoveled out the whole left side of the driveway just to get it cleared, especially after the snow plow, so it doesn't get too iced. But it'll probably all be back tomorrow. So we'll video tomorrow just to show the difference. But it blows in spurts, and only saw one guy walking out there. He was probably walking from the train, but haven't seen anybody flying by in the wind. But it's cold. Hopefully it'll be nice tomorrow. We can do some sledding.